Looking to buy a new cordless drill? We've rounded up some of the best options for you to consider. If you know a thing or two about fixing stuff, or if you're thinking of getting into the DIY game for the first time, there are a few tools you're simply not going to be able to live without. Chief among these is a good power drill. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best cordless drill, each with different characteristics, to help you make informed and perfect decisions. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cordless drill from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go to over top 5 product reviews. Number 1, dewalt 20 volts Max XR Brushless Drill Driver. The yellow and black stylings of dewalt tools are impossible to miss, and they're a great way to be confident that you're getting a quality product. This drill is no different. With a powerful motor that'll help you power through your odd jobs and projects alike, the drill is light and easy to hold, which is key when working, and isn't even particularly loud in use, which is a godsend for your neighbors, at the very least. It's also nice and rugged, making sure that you don't have to worry about it getting the odd bash or bump. A quality product that takes our top spot. Number 2, CRAFTSMAN CMCD777C2 CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill Driver. Kit is all the drills you need with its dual-speed motor. It uses a 1/2 driver bit, making it versatile and useful for most household applications. The keyless chuck is great because there's no need for any tools to change over the drill bits. You get a 20 volts lithium battery with the drill, and with only a 60-minute charge time, we'll have you drilling for ages. Number 3, dewalt 20 volts Max DCD777C2, offering a balance between price and performance. The dewalt 20 volts Max DCD777C2 drill driver delivers enough power for home and DIY use for less than $100. The 1/2 fin chuck allows you to use larger bits. It comes with 2 batteries and a charger. That 2-battery package is a massive time saver because you can charge one battery while the other powers the drill. The cordless drill and batteries are covered by a 3-year warranty. Take careful note of the DCD777C2 model number. Don't confuse it with the DLT DCD771C2, which comes with a brushed motor. Luckily, the DCD777C2 has brushless printed on the side of the drill. Number 4, Milwaukee M18 Compact Drill. The Milwaukee M18 Compact Drill with a 1/2 in chuck steps things up in power and performance. It features a brushless motor and weighs less than 3 to 1/2 lbs, with the M18 battery installed. To help control all that power, the Milwaukee M18 comes with an 18-step clutch, variable speed trigger, and 2-tier speed switch. It delivers only as much force as you need for the task at hand. Number 5, Metabo HPT DB3DL2. An electric screwdriver combines the convenience of a cordless drill with the minimal weight and ease of use of a screwdriver. Lithium-ion powered. Metabo HPT DB3DL2 weighs less than a pound, but offers amazing versatility. The handle pivots, allowing for straight or pistol grip use. A 21-step clutch lets you find the right amount of torque to set screws without stripping them. You also like its drill setting. You'll need a hex bolt shank drill bit, and LED light. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. If you're any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.